Welcome to Top 10 Amazing Animals. In today's video, we are diving into a fascinating topic, 10 key traits that make human intelligence stand out from the animal kingdom. While many animals exhibit impressive cognitive abilities, humans possess exceptional mental capacities that have allowed us to conquer and dominate the planet. From creativity and abstract thinking to the development of complex language, let's explore the reasons why human intelligence is so unique and remarkable. Prepare to be amazed by the incredible ways our minds have set us apart from the rest of the animal world. First, complex language and communication. Humans possess the ability to develop complex language systems, which very few other species can do. Language is not just about basic communication. It is a powerful tool for conveying abstract ideas, describing events, sharing knowledge, and expressing emotions. Furthermore, language allows us to create complex systems like law, philosophy, and culture. This enables humans to cooperate on a larger scale and solve systemic problems that other species cannot address. Two, abstract thinking. The human capacity for abstract thinking allows us to envision and work with non-concrete concepts, such as mathematics, time, and ethics. This stands in stark contrast to the concrete thinking most animals rely on. Through abstract thought, humans can predict, plan for the future, and develop theoretical concepts such as science and philosophy. This forms the foundation of civilization, helping us analyze complex issues, create revolutionary inventions, and continuously improve. Three, creativity and invention. Human creativity has fundamentally transformed life on Earth. From inventing the wheel to digital technology, humans are constantly seeking ways to improve life. This ability to invent and innovate is one of the key factors in not only surviving, but thriving. Unlike animals that use basic tools, humans can create and refine tools over time. Creativity is not limited to physical objects, but extends into art, culture, and science. Four, self-awareness. Self-awareness is the ability to understand oneself as an individual, separate from the environment. Humans excel in this capability, not only recognizing their own existence, but also reflecting on their thoughts and actions. This self-reflection allows us to learn from mistakes and adjust behaviors. While some animals, like dolphins and chimpanzees, exhibit levels of self-awareness, humans have taken it further, developing complex philosophical and ethical ideas. Five, large-scale cooperation. Humans can organize societies and cooperate with millions, even billions of others simultaneously. From small tribes to vast nations, the ability to create cooperative systems allows us to build monumental structures like cities, economic networks, and political systems. This is achieved through effective communication, shared beliefs in concepts like money and laws, and trust in others. No other species can cooperate on such a large scale, enabling humans to dominate and transform their environment comprehensively. Six, use of complex tools. The ability to use and create tools has propelled humans to the top of the animal kingdom. From simple tools like hammers and knives to complex technologies like computers and robots, humans continuously develop methods to work more efficiently and achieve results far beyond the natural capabilities of the body. This not only improves the quality of life, but also opens the door to exploring new realms, such as outer space and the digital world. Seven, strategic and long-term thinking. Humans act not only on immediate needs, but also possess the ability to think strategically and plan for the long term. This enables us to look beyond immediate goals, prepare for the future, and create complex plans to achieve long-term objectives. Economic, political, and military strategies are developed based on this ability, allowing humans not only to survive, but also to expand and dominate the world. 8. Learning and passing down knowledge through generations. Thanks to written language and recording methods, humans can transmit knowledge across generations. This creates a rich database of information in all fields of life, from science to art, allowing us to build on the achievements of previous generations. No other species has such a comprehensive way of recording its history and knowledge, enabling us to progress rapidly and far surpass other species. Nine, environmental control. Instead of merely adapting to the environment, humans have the ability to modify and control it to suit their needs. We have learned to build houses, roads, and even manipulate the weather to some extent through technology. This enables humans to live in places where other species would struggle to survive, from deserts to polar regions, and to thrive in remote areas around the world. Tenth, development of culture and art. Humans not only create material achievements, but also develop culture, art, and religion. This capability allows us to live not just for survival, but also to seek meaning in life. Works of art, literature, and music are manifestations of mental creativity, reflecting the development of consciousness and social identity. This not only helps us connect emotionally, but also builds civilizations with unique values and beliefs. Thank you for watching today's video on Top 10 Amazing Animals. We hope you enjoyed learning about the key factors that make human intelligence stand out from the animal kingdom. If you found this video informative and entertaining, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Let us know in the comments which factor impressed you the most. See you in the next video, and let's continue exploring the amazing world of animals together.